Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SetCAD tutorial how to scale a drawing. So for example, I will create rectangle. You can type a rectangle, press enter, and I will click from this point with dimension. I will set the dimension into 20 and 20. Press enter again and you can click to apply. The next, to set the dimension, you can click these icons, linear. So I will click from this corner point into here, move to the top. Now if you want to scale this drawing, you can tap scale, or you can click these icons to scale. Okay, select the objects and press enter. Now we'll click for the base point in here. I will scale factor into half. You can type 0,5 and you can press enter. So the drawing will be scaled into half. If you want to scale twice, you can click again the scale command, select the object, and then select for the base point. I will set 2 to scale twice and you can press enter. Okay, that's it for a basic SetCAD tutorial, how to scale a drawing. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.